Wordtune versus QuillBot. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the quick tutorial on which is better between Wordtune versus QuillBot. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Wordtune and QuillBot are powerful tools designed to help writers rephrase, rewrite, and refine their content. However, they cater to slightly different audiences and offer distinct features. Here's a detailed comparison to help you decide which tool will suit your need. For paraphrasing, Wordtune is an advanced rephrasing with focus on tone, and it basic checks the grammar and spelling. The writing mode is casual, formal, shorten, and expand, and its integration includes Chrome extensions and Google Docs. The plagiarism detection for Wordtune is not available, and summarization is not available either. However, the interface is user-friendly and has intuitive interface. Talking about QuillBot, for paraphrasing, QuillBot uses multiple paraphrasing modes such as formal, creative, etc. It has decent grammar checking, but not as advanced. For writing modes, they have standard, fluency, formal, creative, and more options, while the integration includes Chrome extension, Google Docs, and MS Word. The plagiarism detection is available but only in premium feature, and summarization is included as a tool. Talking about the interface, it is simple and straightforward. For the strengths and weaknesses, Wordtune strengthens focuses on improving tone and style with advanced AI. It offers multiple rewriting suggestions tailored to different contexts. The weakness for Wordtune includes limited features compared to QuillBot, example no summarization or plagiarism detection, and it is slightly more expensive for similar functionality. It is ideal for professionals and marketers who prioritize tone and polished writing. Talking about the QuillBot strengths and weakness, QuillBot is an excellent paraphrasing capabilities with multiple modes. It is affordable and includes additional tools like summarization and plagiarism detection. Talking about the weakness, it is less advanced in adapting tone compared to Wordtune. It has paraphrased content and can sometimes feel less natural. And QuillBot is ideal for students, researchers, and writers needing affordable paraphrasing tools and additional tools. So, this was about QuillBot and Wordtune. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.